Going to destroy Daddy's creation. Oh boy. Oh,
Wow, Brian.
we're gonna drive it around. Here.
What do you got?
Here. Fold this up. Hey, move your arm. Here. Oh, I want that down. Okay. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
What are you doing? To Daddy's creation.
Little pig, let me in.
What are you gonna do when that falls over, kiddo? Oh no, there it goes! Oh, he put it back up. Wow, that's actually pretty impressive.
What are you going to do with that, Brian?
Oh!
What happened, Brian? Where did it go?
What happened,
I
Brian?
can't see his face.
Brian? Are you pointing to the mess you made?
What
happened?
happened? Oh, I know. Look, it's all over the floor.
Okay, pick it up. Put it away. Good boy. Okay, there's more pieces than that.
Yay, good boy.
Pick up the rest. Yep, fold that up. Okay. That's all you wanted to do in the first place, wasn't it? Help Mama. Yep. That's the opposite of helping. That's actually anti-picking up. That's okay.
Yeah,
Yep, there you go. Good boy.
Thank you.
Right here, Brian. Brian. Put it in the basket.
I want to figure out how to take it apart.
All done? Okay. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye. Wave to the camera. Bye-bye. Okay.
No,